If you need to, you can bend your knees a little bit. And if you weren't flexible enough to get your hands on your toes, you could bend your knees and put your hands on your ankles. Feet are shoulder width apart. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull our hips down, keeping our arms on the inside of our knees. Go ahead and start pulling your hips down. And you're gonna pull down to a point where you feel like you might go to your toes. If you can pull all the way down and keep your heels down, that's an ideal spot that we're looking for. If you're about to go to your toes, I would have you stop in that position. So pulling your hips down into that deep squat, feeling that stretch on the outside of our hips, our low back a little bit, inner thighs, ankles potentially, and calves, and then hands on the feet or ankles. And you're gonna push the ground away and get a hamstring stretch, a low back stretch. You can have your hands on your ankles too. And this is the sumo squat stretch.